So day one on our project with Sean Conway on his energy journey. We're just starting on the roof now, so we've marked out where things are going to go. We've got 5 panels along the bottom, 6 panels above it, and then 2 panels on the far roof facing south. That way, absolutely beautiful place, beautiful exposure to the sun. So hopefully this will be absolutely fantastic generation for him. We're going to get some hooks in, and then we can get some rail on, get the panels on, and that's where we'll be up to for today. In the meantime, I'm going to have a chat with Sean. Hi mate.
Hello mate, how's it going? Good to see you.
You too.
Welcome to rainy Wales. Perfect day to put solar up.
Yep, ready to go.
Right, let's get out the rain a bit, come on. Welcome to my office. Ignore the massive oil painting of me over there. I was going to put that in the bedroom and Carolina's like, hell no. Anyway, what's happening today? What are we doing? What are we doing, mate?
So, we're going to start on the south roof. We'll do the panels today. We've got...
I'm super excited to see actually how you just fix them to a roof, to be honest.
Very straightforward. We can show you that.
Yeah.
Very straightforward.
Yeah, I'm interested. Yeah, cool. Right, well, I'll let you get cracking on.
I'll get on with it.
Nice. Why am I getting solar? Loads of reasons. One, at the moment, if I'm honest, it's just a cost thing. It's just got crazy expensive, hasn't it? You know, we're all spending so much money on electricity now. I think, and I don't know how, but our bill this year will be £3,000 for electricity, I think, which is crazy. And I know we have the car, and that's half of it. So our bills are pretty much half mileage for the car and then half electricity bills. But, you know, we've got 2 young kids. They go through, seems like 100 items of clothing every single day because they just get so dirty playing in the mud, which is what kids need to do, right? But we just land up using the washing machine and the cookers and the oven and, you know, the dishwasher. So I think we'll be able to halve that, if not take 2/3 off that bill. Because with the 5 and a bit kilowatt battery solar, I think we'll be able to create 4,000 to 5,000 watts in the year in Wales. Let's call it 4,000. We use about 10,000, I think. So on a good sunny day, we'll use solar for half the things we do in the day, and then the battery will top up the rest of our usage. So worst case scenario is we're getting a whole bunch of energy in the daytime from the solar, and then any extra we need, we're using the off-peak tariff rate from the battery, so that we're almost never using the full peak power. You know, so for me, it was sort of a no-brainer to do solar and battery, especially now. Before the price went up, you know, a year ago, I sort of did the maths. I thought, I just wasn't quite there on actually going solar. But now with the price so expensive, it's almost a no-brainer. Hopefully in Wales, it's not going to rain too much. I bet we're going to have the rainiest summer in the history of ever this summer, just as I get the solar bit. Anyway, that's life.
Quick word about our sponsor H&S. So we've used H&S for a while now to supply all of our solar panels on our commercial jobs. They supplied the solar panels on the J&S project, which is another video you can see. When we decided to go on the Myenergi journey with Sean Conway, H&S decided they were going to sponsor the videos and give us the equipment to make these documentaries. So come on inside and I'll show you what they can do for electricians, solar panel installers, basically what they've got going on here. So not only do H&S supply us with all of our solar panels and inverters, they actually supply us with all of our electrical tools, electrical equipment, cabling, anything you might expect from a regular electrical wholesaler. But let's see what solar stuff they've got. Over the last couple of months, we've had over 1,000 solar panels from H&S. And the beauty of using H&S, like any other wholesaler, they can deliver them right across the country. Meaning we place an order in the office, our panels get delivered, we crack on with the job. So we try to use H&S as a one point of call for all of our electrical and renewable equipment we need. So if you are a solar installer or just an electrician, are you looking for an alternative supplier, get in touch with H&S. They can be competitive on price and get the equipment across anywhere in the country. Give them a call, see if they can help you out, because they do for us.
Well, are you ready for it later, mate?
It's cold, isn't it?
It's so cold. If you want, we can...
And you can still smell the whiskey in that.
You can still smell the whiskey, it's amazing. We've got the sauna if you're feeling a bit soft today. You do the sauna first.
Wow.
I make everyone do something very specific when they come to my house, and it's now Ben's turn. Can't wait.
So we're nearly done with the install, but Sean's asked me to take part in one of his traditions. I'll be back in a sec.
So ours is a bit closer together. So Monty's 3.5, well, it'll be 4 in.
Freezing this now, isn't it?
Absolutely. Don't worry, the sauna's nice and warm for you too. That is 4 degrees. This is warm. Could be 2 degrees. You're lucky.
How often do you go in this?
Almost every day.
Things you do for a good shot, eh?
It's gonna be YouTube gold. Stopwatch. All right, here goes. Start. Whoa. He's smashing it. 1 minute 10. It's putting me to shame.
I can feel it now.
Yeah, hands in as well. 2 minutes.
I'll do.
Well done, mate. Right. Get you in here. Try and not touch a light bulb.